Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay your Citibank credit card. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is have an account in Citibank. If you don't have it, make sure to go to citi.com, go and click on an open account or log in into your account if you have an account. You can do the same in the mobile application. So basically how to pay with your Citibank credit card. So make paying bills as painless as possible using your credit card. So first of all, you can either, of course, what's cost it's free and welcome to no stamps, no check in writing, new mailing, all for free. You can move into the first or 21st century. Bill paying with our convenience, easy to use online bill payments. So as we said, the cost is free and it's right for you if you want to pay for your bills online instead of by mail. If you want to pay any person or business in the United States, and if you want to the confidence, of course, of your online bill payment as an example. So to start or to pay with your credit card, as an example, you'll need either to find a branch or pay online. You can, as an example, pay online if you want to. Sorry. So click on apply online, sorry, and you can have an account first. And or you simply find the branch, and of course, you'll need again to open an account. So if you don't pay your account, you will not get your credit card, so you'll not be able to pay with it. So once you have it, as you can see, it works with the checking account. So you'll need to have a checking account exactly. And once you have your checking account, you'll get your credit card. And then, of course, you can go wherever you want. As an example, maybe Amazon or whatever you want, and you can pay with that. So, as an example, maybe I'm looking here for something like this, and I'll just get simply, okay, this is not possible. So, as an example, something like this, I'm just going to click on buy now. And of course, you'll need to log in into your account if you want. You can simply just click here. I'm just going to log in and come back. And once you fill up your address, you can simply add your debit card right here and simply enter the card that you get from Citibank once you created an account, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.